Hello students, today we have to move for the geometry lesson, the first lesson in the class 10, that is the triangles. So first we have to know about that what is the meaning of triangle. Tri means three. The shape, geometrical shape which is having a tri means three, I told you already, which is having a three angles or the three sides, they are called as the triangles. Okay, so the type of triangles based on side, the type of triangle based on the angle, everything you know already, is it? So today we have to know about the similar triangle. So what is meant by similar triangle? Note down this, what is meant by, note down the question, what is similar triangle? Okay, what are similar triangle or what is similar triangles? What are? Okay, so what are similar triangles here? The triangles which are bounded by the three sides or the three angles are equal, they are called as the triangle. Okay, so if when the two triangles are said to be similar, so consider these two are the triangles. When they are said to be similar, when the corresponding angles are equal, these angles are equal, corresponding angles they are called, and also the corresponding sides are in a proportion in the sense, if it is a 4 it should be 2. I mean, if we do that 4 divided by 2 we will get 1 by 2, like that. Okay, if they are in the proportion. Okay, one is what are similar triangle, if the angles are equal, if the corresponding who the triangle whose whose angles are equal and also the sides are in proportion, sides are in proportion, those triangles are called as the similar triangle. Those triangles are called as similar triangle. Okay, note down this definition, similar triangles. What are similar triangles? Okay, what are similar triangles? The triangles whose angles are equal and the sides are in the proportion, those triangles are called as the similar triangle. So we can give this example for this, ABC and DEF. Okay, here the angles are equal and also the sides are in the proportion in the sense how what I told, like that. Okay, then these said to be a similar triangle. Okay, so like that we can get the many similar. Okay, these are, if it should be like that, they are called as the similar shapes or the similar triangle or similar polygons. Okay, but these are not called as a, I'll give the, when the not similar. So this is a circle and this is a square, they are not similar because the sides and the angles are also not similar, are not equal, and the sides also not in a proportion, they are not similar. Okay, they are called as what? Non-similar. Keep in mind, they are called as the non-similar. Why they are called as the non-similar? Because the angles are not equal and the sides also are not equal, the shapes is completely different, they are called as the non-similar. Okay, and all the circles, if you are taken like that, the small circle and the big circle, this thing we can give as a, all they are similar, all the circles are similar, and all the squares if you are taken like that, they are the similar. Okay, all the squares are similar. Okay, but the square and a rectangle is not a similar, keep in mind that. And also the two polygons in the sense, if we are taken any polygon in the sense, the geometrical shape which is having a many sides or the many angles, that is called as the polygon. So two polygons, if with a different size and different shape, it's not a similar. With same shape is a similar. That thing you have to keep in mind. And if you are giving an example for similar figures in the sense, these are all called as, okay, two triangles are the similar, two squares are the similar. And if you are giving a example for non-similar, we can give example for one circle and one square, or one circle one rectangle. So like that we can give. So these are the similar and the non-similar. Example for similar and non-similar. I hope you will understand this, right? Similar and non-similar. Okay, so yes, they are called as the similar now. Next, based on similarity, the triangles having three criteria, so they are called as the criteria for similarity of triangle. Keep in mind, they are called as criteria of similarity of triangle. You learnt already about this in 9th standard, so I'll recall again, and you have to note down in classwork also, this thing and this thing with example. Okay, criteria of similarity of triangles. So what are the criteria of similarity of triangles? They are, the first one, the first criteria is AAA similarity criterion. Okay, AAA similarity criterion. Okay, AAA similarity criterion. Note down this criterion. Okay, you have to note down the classwork while listening the lesson only, and it is easy also for you. Okay, the name itself, these are the criteria of similarity of triangles. The first criteria is AAA similarity criterion. So what is that AAA criteria? In any two triangles, in any two similar triangle, here we want to take similar triangle only. In any two similar triangles, the short form of triangle, it is triangle. If here three angles, AAA in the sense angle. If three angles are there, 1 2 3, note down. If three angles of one triangle, is equal to the three angles of another triangle. It is a short form of triangle. Another triangle is called as the AAA similarity criterion. Okay, the another triangle, then they are, okay, then we can say that the two triangles are similar. Okay, then we can say the two triangles are similar. This is the AAA similarity criterion. Okay, so you can write yourself by this only. If in any two similar triangle, if three angles of the one triangle is equal to the three angle of another triangle, then we can say the two triangles are similar. So this is the AA. If we are taken one example, a small example it is. So here all the three angles, one triangle and this is also one triangle. So if all the three triangles are equal, angles are equal. If this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. If this is 60 degree and this is also 60 degree. If this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. So that is, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. Okay, so this is the AAA. The name itself says AAA means three angles are equal. So the second criteria here in your class, that is the SSS similarity criterion. You learnt already, many are there, SSS, AAA, SAS, like that, but to your class only 3 is there. I'll explain all these 3 again. These are the just revision, but it is there in your also, but you learnt already in the 9th standard. Okay, SSS similarity. You should also note down in your classwork, similarity criterion. Okay, so what is that SSS similarity criterion? Same it is. So in any two similar triangle, in any two similar triangle, in any two similar triangle, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, right? SSS means 3 sides. Okay, if three sides of one triangle, if 3 sides of one triangle is equal to the 3 sides of another triangle, then we can say the two triangles are similar. Then we can say the two triangles are similar. Two triangles are similar. So this is SSS. So by this only we can able to say, no need to learn also. You have to try to understand this. In any two similar triangle, if 3 sides of one triangle is equal to the 3 sides of another triangle, then we can say the two triangles are similar. Okay. So good example, if you have taken, this is a one triangle A, B, C, and this is another triangle, that is D, E, F. Anything we can give. Okay, not mandatory to give this name with A, B, C and D, E, F only. So if it is a 2, this should be also 2, and if it should be 3, this should be also 3. If it should be 4, this should be also 4. Okay, so then it is called as similar. Okay, that is the SSS similarity criterion. Okay, so the next we have to move for the next criteria and the last in your class, that is the SAS similarity criteria. This is the third one, SAS. If they are asking in a examination, you should be ready to write. Okay, because these are all very easy. By the name only we can guess everything. Okay, criterion. Okay, SAS similarity criterion. So the name itself says how many sides are there here. S means sides, A means angle, that's all. 2 sides, right? One angle. Okay, the same definition we can give with a little bit change with the 2 sides and 1 angle. So what we want to write, in any two similar triangle, okay, triangle, if 2 sides and 1 angle, right? If 2 sides and 1 angle of one triangle is equal to the 2 sides, again the same 2 sides and 1 angle of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. So this is the SAS similarity criterion. Note down that. So if we have taken the example for this, this is the example of A, B, C, and this is the example of D, E, F. Here I have taken A, B, C, and D, E, F. The rule should be two sides and one angle, and AB is 3 centimeter, DE is also 3 centimeter, AC is 5 centimeter, DE also 5 centimeter, and BC angle B, one angle, right? Two sides and one angle. If it is a 60 degree and this is also 60 degree. Here, then these two, I mean ABC and DEF are called as similar. This is the similar symbol, keep in mind. So DEF, ABC similar to DEF. These are the criterias of similar triangle. Criterias of similar triangle. Please note down this, very important. These three criteria, AAA, SAS and SSS. Okay. So next we have to move for the next class we have to move for the theorems of the triangle. Many important, very important and most repeated theorems are there here. Two theorems. One is called the basic proportionality theorem and another one is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, very important. And also one more theorem, that is the area of similar triangle theorem. Okay, three theorems are important in this and most repeated in the examination set. In the next period we have to move with the theorems. So first you have to get to know this about this similar triangle and the other basic thing here. Okay, so this symbol is called as similar. Read it as, you want to read it as a similar. I mean triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Okay, that is very important. So these are all the sides and all the angles are equal. If it should be, they are called as the similar or proportional. They are equal or proportional, they called as a similar. Okay, which are non-similar. Non-similar in the sense we can give all different, having a different angles or different shapes or different sides, they are called as the non-similar. Non-similar in the sense we can give two rhombus of different angle measures also. If they are the non-similar figures. Keep in mind, first you have to understood this similar and the non-similar. These are the non-similar figures. I told you already example, one circle and one square also the non-similar figure. Or if you are taken a rhombus in the sense, I think you know about that, this is called as a rhombus if with different angle, different measurement in the sense if it should be like that, so that this is not called as a rhombus. Okay, so these are not similar, I mean they are the non-similar figure, not the similar figure, not similar figure. Even two isosceles triangle also with different angle measures. Isosceles in the sense, I think you know about that, two angles or the two sides are equal, they are called as the isosceles, right? Two sides and two angles are equal, they are called as the isosceles. If it should be if two sides, if this will be 2 centimeter, if this will be 5 centimeter, then they are not called as a similar. Okay, and two isosceles triangle with different angle measurement or with different sides measurement, they are also called as a non-similar. Okay, so keep learning up to this. Tomorrow we have to discuss about the theorem, Pythagoras theorem and basic proportionality theorem and areas of the similar triangle. The three important theorems in this lesson, tomorrow I will teach you. Thank you all.